So we fix the talus, we found out where the navicular is, and what we do is we'll work it through 360 degrees, okay? And then we manipulate with twist grip action, okay? So build up the momentum, so it's a circular movement, 1, 2, 3, and then you thrust it like that, okay? Same with the next one, navicular, fix the navicular, and then we're going to shear the cuneiforms, 1, 2, 3, okay? Next one, because it's a hinge joint, we get our thumb down the first met, 1, 2, 3, okay? So you're gapping the first met from the medial cuneiform. When it comes to the first met foul joint, get hold of the big toe and then pull accordingly. Alright? It's quite a crude technique really, but you can traction, and that actually sort of gapped, I think, didn't it? Yeah. Okay. Last one, just really put some pressure through there. Okay? You alright with that?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Don't worry, it won't come off. Not yet.